Okay, here is the food for the gray parrot. Yes, for the baby gray parrot, I put it with the water and I feeding baby Bibi. Okay, because Bibi only 70 days, so need to feeding by this. Okay, open your mouth, Bibi. Open your mouth. Bibi, open your mouth. Okay, good boy. Bibi, open your mouth. Open. Okay, good boy. Okay. Now Bibi have lunch. Open your mouth, Bibi. Bibi, open your mouth. Open. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay, Bibi, open. Okay. Bibi, open your mouth. Open. Maybe he feel full. Okay. Bibi. Okay, good boy. Bibi, open your mouth. Open. Do you feel full?